The science and innovation we want stands for gender equality as a core value of the EU and promotes inclusiveness. Help us make science and innovation an inspiring example for our society.
Research is done by human beings for human beings. And we can't talk about scientific excellence then if we don't address the diversity of human beings. And if you want my tax money to fund research, my data and my trust as a gay man, I need to know that the research ecosystem has my best interests at heart.
We have achieved so much at European level. Now, there's so much going on elsewhere in the world which is not exactly encouraging, but please, please, please don't be shell-shocked. Don't let anybody else deteriorate what we have achieved. Please make sure that gender equality remains an important part of the European research area.
Gender equality matters and data matters. By collecting reliable statistics and stories, including intersectional ones, we can create informed policies for inclusiveness.
Having GEPs as a eligibility criterion is a very important step forward, but it is only one step. And for institutions to actually make high-quality GEPs, there is more support needed from national and regional authorities. It can never come only from the European Commission.
Genius and talent is equally distributed across gender, race and class, but opportunity and access are not. Ensuring equality, valuing and celebrating our diversity, and promoting inclusion is just our day job. It is our research, our teaching and learning, and our engagement in a university made excellent through an EDI lens. Having a gender equality action plan is just good business sense. Who wouldn't want to increase and retain their talent?
Scientific excellence requires fair and inclusive work environments.
Proper scientific research on gender, and especially gender-based violence, is something that is crucial and must be continued.
Europe is diverse, so we must be able to tap into the potential of all of its citizens to produce excellent knowledge and inclusive innovations. So we need to push forward with the agenda. We need to inscribe inclusive gender equality into the ERA Act, as well as deepen the eligibility criteria by monitoring and evaluating the impacts of gender equality plans, and also deepen the requirement to integrate the gender dimension into research and innovation content.
Policymakers, leaders and the research and innovation community must work together to do three things: to emphasise commitment to inclusive gender equality, to present the evidence showing gender equality equals excellence, and to provide funding for scientific research on inclusive gender equality.